Lots of time people come, and every time when I talk to people, they have the same problems. They very busy, they have work, they maybe, if they like it, they have clients, and they just pulling their hair out, and they like, okay, I have regular work, I have a 9-to-5 job, I have my family, and I really don't have time to work on my business. But my business, I love it, so I want to grow my business, but for some reason, I just cannot find time. I totally understand, because I have been there. I totally understand, because I was working 16 hours a day, and I literally was spending 30 minutes a day for years before I actually start growing my business. So I totally understand where you guys came from. So I want to share with you like really one tip that probably would help you to get more organized in your business and kind of make you feel like you're moving forward. So first of all, few things you really need to have in your business, especially when you just start. You really need to work on your visibility, meaning you need to show up in front of your ideal clients and let them know that you exist, that your service exists, and they need to buy from you, right? So in this case, visibility. So show up out there, deliver the value. If you're like stuck with the time management and you need to organize, you need to work on your visibility. Seriously, you can have your money in your business if you don't have a website. I guarantee you, I work in my business for 5 years. Guess what? I still working on my website, and I have my clients, people buy, and it's okay. Seriously, it's okay. I would encourage you to show up with visibility. Visibility is the time when you literally show up and tell like, hey, I'm cool, this kind of value I provide, I'm so freaking awesome, buy from me because you have this problem, and I am your solution. So your visibility must be if you're working on your business. Visibility can be different ways. Sometimes it can be video, just like this, like literally 10 minutes video before you actually hopping in on the calls with your clients. It can be writing posts. Remember, you always can repurpose your old content, but you can actually, like in my case, I can take this video and I can write the whole post about that. Literally repurposing my own content. What I can do, I can actually send emails to my list and send them direct link to this video, which is help with the visibility as well. So remember, your visibility is a crucial moment in your business, especially if you just started, because you really need to tell your clients that you exist, your service exists, that you're so freaking awesome, and if they have problems, you are a solution for them. The second one, you need to start growing your list. The reason why you need to start growing your list, your followers, it doesn't have to be your Facebook group, your private Facebook group. If you have it, really awesome. If you don't have it, don't worry. Focusing on grow your followers. It can be on social media, different social media platform. It can be on social media, it can be people on your list. Whatever it is, you show up in front of them. Now you want that they will follow you. So whatever you use in social media platforms, you just need to start growing that social media platform. And as well, your content, repurpose your old content, create the traffic, because if you're not going to create the traffic, well, you have a problem. So the same way, you repurpose your old content, you repurpose your new content. Yesterday we were talking about different types of the content, which is help you to kind of grab attentions of your followers. So that's very, very important. Start working on growing your list. But the most important, you create the freebie. Create the freebie, it does require time. So back to our time management. So what I want you to do, like put the goal for this week. For example, just give you example, but you get it, right? So for example, this week I want to create a freebie so I can grow my list. So for example, Monday, I will spend 15 minutes a day, go on social media and do research related to my freebie. On Monday, spend 15 minutes a day, go on social media and ask my followers what kind of topics they want to learn about. Topics related to your niche, the most popular topics, the pain points. Okay, 15 minutes a day, voila, you did something in your business that will pay you back eventually. Tuesday, you already actually did that research. People tell you which topic they want to learn more. So you now start mapping up your research, like those contents, you start mapping up for your freebie. It take you like 15-20 minutes to do. If you're genius in what you do, it's good for you. You don't have to do it lots of time. You can do it while you're at work, taking 15 minutes break. You literally just mapping up. Not a lot of time, right? Wednesday, you actually start working on your freebie. Literally, if you already have the content prepared, so everything what you need, just take that content, put it on the paper. Usually I use personally Canva, put it in the Canva, make it beautiful picture, download on your computer. Voila, you already have the freebie. Thursday, you need to have sign up page for your freebie, because you cannot just give the freebie. You go into, for example, lead pages, and you create the lead pages. It take you 15 to 20 minutes to do that. Friday, you actually start going to your email provider, create the list out there, and connect it to your lead pages, and connect your freebie to your lead pages as well. So basically, you connecting everything. It takes like 15-20 minutes. What next? Saturday, you literally start, you already have the freebie. You have sign up page, you have the list, you have the freebie at else. The freebie is ready. Congratulations. You spend 1 week, 15 minutes a day to actually put something that's gonna pay you big time. So Saturday, you actually need to start mapping up your content for your freebie. So basically, how you're gonna promote your freebie. What kind of actions you're gonna promote. If you're not gonna do this promotional part, well, nobody will know about your freebie. They're not gonna sign for your freebie. As a result, you probably guys read the post that I created yesterday. It actually was talking like why your freebie is not making you money. And the reason why, because it's not the freebie itself, it's what you do behind of the freebie. So that's very, very important. Start working on Saturday. Start working on creating the promotional strategy, because you want to grow your list. You want to, promote your freebie big time. And Sunday you have the day off, basically. But if you actually then, 15 minutes a day, you're spending specific actions the whole week. You're spending 15 minutes a day. You don't really work a lot. But at the end of the day, you step back and you're like, holy shit, I already have the freebie. If you have the whole day, you have literally 2 hours to create the freebie, well, just spend 2 hours to do that. But if you're like many entrepreneurs out there who just literally start from scratch, they don't have those 2 hours. So for them, what I want you to do, guys, literally set the goal where you're gonna work next week. Sometimes that you know that at the end of the week, if you complete that specific project, then it's gonna benefit your business. Not just, another thing on your to-do list, but it's gonna benefit your business, going to bring you cash, basically. That freebie we were just talking. If you promote your freebie and start growing your list and sell your service to your list, voila, you need to have the freebie because it benefits your business. So choose whatever you choose in your business to do. Make sure you ask yourself, is that priority to make cash? Yes or no? If it's yes, then set the goal. Then honestly, when you're setting priority for the week, make sure you're breaking down every day what you're gonna do. One thing from that goal, big goal. Don't overwhelm yourself. Don't make it crazy. Remember, you spend seriously 7 days. But at the end of the 7 days, you create something really good. So consistency, working on the same product, time management, breaking down on a specific day, specific moments where you're gonna do per day. That's something that's gonna help you to achieve results what you want much, much faster. So guys, I love you so much. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like this video, implement and brainstorming or what related to your business, related to your project. If you have the questions that related to time management, what to do and how to do, post it under here this video. If you found these tips are helpful, make sure you just say hello and thank you. I appreciate it. Here was Arina. Bye.